It's about to be cold in South Louisiana. We're making a gumbo.
All right, so we're going to be hunkering down in South Louisiana because we don't know what we're getting with this storm. So here I am chopping up the Holy Trinity. That is onion, bell pepper, and celery. And all of this is going to help be the foundation, as part of the foundation once we get that root going. We have 2 turkeys left over from Thanksgiving, and I'm just getting stock in there, and that's going to sit there and simmer. Here I've got andouille and smoked sausage, and this is all going to go into this gumbo. Now I'm making a massive pot of gumbo because I'm going to give my parents some of it because they gave me the turkey from Thanksgiving, and I know that they like my gumbo. I'm also probably going to give Ashton and London some as well. So I am just getting everything chopped up. Everything is just in containers. This sausage is actually going to sit in the fridge for a moment. Now we are going to start this roux. Now look, you need to make sure you go to the restroom, you fix a cocktail, you get a book going to listen to, a playlist, whatever, because this takes a while. Like you got to be here a moment and babysit it. So that is a cup of, actually I did 2 cups, ended up doing 2 cups of oil. And then for every cup of oil you do, you're going to do 2/3 of a cup of flour. So it's just getting it nice and oh, there's Andy. We're going to get it nice and browned up. And I babysat this and babysat this and babysat this. But I want a good color. Now I'm adding in that Holy Trinity and getting that softened up. That's going to cook a while. Now I'm sifting through this turkey and I'm going to debone it. This gumbo took a really, really long time because there were so many steps for what I was using. But I'm going through every single piece and making sure there's no bone, there's no slimy, weird stuff, because I don't like all that in my gumbo. I know my mom definitely doesn't. She'd never eat my gumbo again. But I'm going through and just really, really picking through and making sure we have all of the meat off of that bone. What we also got from doing this in the chicken stock is we've got a very savory stock ready to go that we're about to add in that roux to. Now at some point in this, my phone actually died. So you'll see in a moment that I'm getting the sausage browned up. The Trinity is just sitting there cooking down. The turkey is going to be ready to add. And then we're going to add in the Cajun seasonings that we use every time, and really and truly it's not that much seasoning because just the flavors, everything comes together, and it really doesn't need much seasoning at all of what you would think it would need. But yeah, here's the sausage browning. And so basically all of this, you're about to see me add in that Trinity into that stock. And like I said, my phone died, but all of this gets added into that big pot along with the okra, and then it just sits and simmers. Now I've got Bo tasting it. I'm tasting it. You'll see in a moment my face. Yeah, it's good. It's real good. And so this is what it looks like. It is amazing. It tastes amazing. It is perfect for this weather we're having. We are hunkered down with a fire. And it's so cozy. And guess what? We're doing nothing this weekend. Absolutely nothing.